Check mic. 1, 2. Ayun. Where's the chat? Alright. Pasensya na, medyo late tayo nakapag-start. Nag-update na naman si YouTube. Alright, nag-update si YouTube. Si Facebook Live. And medyo ninibago ako sa setup ngayon ng Facebook Live. But then again, tuloy po tayo. Beautiful Monday for everyone. Magandang Monday po. How was your weekend? Hopefully maganda rin kasing ganda ng market this day. Philippine Stock Exchange closed at 7,124, the highest it has been for quite a while. The last time we hit above 7,100 mark was around February of 2021. Right now, yeah, after how many months, we're now back at 7,100. Congratulations, at least pumutok ang market even without net foreign buying, right? 820 million po selling sa net foreign, but the local investments are starting to pour in, right? COVID, what do you call this? COVID, let me just change this one. Mali yung na-share natin na screen. Right. Good evening. Ayan. So, last time po ito sa February ngayon. After a long time, now we are back at 7,100. Kahit net foreign selling po tayo ngayon, 820 million. Ang dami kasing assets na nasa baba pa, kaya it is lifting the market still. Right? The COVID cases are going lower. Ang ganda ng news na nakokontrol na talaga natin ang Delta variant. Somehow it is disappearing. Mas maliit na lang cases. Thank you so much sa mga nagpa-vaccine dyan. It did help our COVID fight a lot. So congratulations sa mga nagpa-vaccine dyan. Sa mga hindi pa, ano pa hinintay nyo? If you want to help the community, let's not think about just ourselves. Let's think about for everyone's sake. At magpa-vaccine po kayo. Right? Magandang gabi. 7,124 to be exact. Up 3.14%. That's a massive gain. For the market, pinanganahan ng mga bangko, Security Bank, Converge up 7% today. Galing. Ali, FGen, SMPH. Ito, si Metrobank, BDO, sila East West, ang dami pa niyan. Nag-up ngayon. So, congratulations sa mga pumasok, right? Sila sa mga bank sectors especially. Right? East West, ayan. East West is up 3.67 ngayon. Sino pa ba? Sino pa ba mga bangko nyo na umakyat? Right? Post it in the comments if you're winning already. Sobrang dami ng good news sa COVID fight natin, and I would contribute that as the biggest factor, biggest contributor of our climb. So congratulations. Once again, let me go to the comments really quick. Yan. Kailangan change ko lang yung music. Masyadong malakas. Yeah, I think it's good. Yan. Hindi ko lang naririnig sa headphones ko, so I'm not really sure if ever the background music's there, but I think it is. I'm gonna go to the comments. And, nga pala, hindi pa kayo nag-share. Please share the video. Please share the videos po. Nakikita ko kasi dyan pag may nag-share. So, wala pa nag-share. Please share this video to your friends, to your relatives, to your trading groups. If you have a little favor from me, hopefully I've earned this request from you guys. Please help me in our goal, yung mission natin sa Financial Freedom 101, Stock Said. Me personally, tsaka sa daily grind to help more Filipinos to start stock market right. Karamihan kasi sa mga nagsisimula na Pinoy, when they start, they lose money because they're not doing the right thing, and the tendency is to quit. And I want to prevent that. I want more Filipinos to really start their stock market journey right. So please help me. Hopefully, I've earned that favor from you guys. Please share this video to your trading groups out there. Yun yung pinakamalaking reach. Marami kasing pumapasok sa mga trading groups na mga newbies hoping for information, and hopefully we can share this video to them. Thank you so much for the share. Biglang umakyat. Thank you so much. Right. Ishi Marimat, good evening. Kel Mike, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Magandang gabi. Rebecca Tangan, good evening then. Raul Tomala, good evening, Sir Lloyd. 3 p.m. here in Riyadh. Magandang hapon sa inyo. PHRP. Let's go to the let's go to charting right away. Let's check out PHR. Daanan ko lang kasi comments nyo if ever you have any request. If you're a newbie, welcome to our program. You're in the right program, right? Stocksaid, the daily grind, itong program na ito. We talk about, what do you call this? We talk about stock market, updates sa stock market. Not just stock market, but money markets. Ano ba pwede natin i-trade dyan? Crypto. Even NFTs. I am heavily into NFTs right now. Forex also. Ako mismo, doon ako naka-focus sa Forex. And with the help of technology and little tinkering, we're able to trade Forex automatically through our bot system. Hopefully, yung bot in is doing well. And then NFTs, the games, non-fungible tokens, where you enjoy playing. Ito na yung new process of mining. You're playing and mining at the same time. Very helpful. So hopefully, you're into it also. But this is the program for you, right? PHR, request ito ni Raul Tumale kanina. PHR on a downtrend, my friend. Let me just load my chart layout really quick. Then balikan natin si PHR. Thank you. And PHR touched the lower Bollinger Band kanina. Broke this support right here. So PHR is not looking well. Maganda yung ano niya, maganda yung what do you call this? Divergence na ginagawa ni PHR, definitely. But somehow it's aggressive on the bottom side. What happened? Bakit ba second quarter niya? There it is, 109% negative. So that's the reason why I don't trade stocks na that's not doing well. Kasi kahit na maganda yung technical analysis, malaking chances for it to drop, right? So chances are this might still drop, but it's not very heavy naman yung momentum on the downside. Sinalunga kanina kaagad eh. So somehow that's looking well. I just don't want you to go aggressive on this. There's no point on going aggressive in PHR. As much as possible, gawa kayo, antay kayo ng reversal, which is a reverse head and shoulder pattern right there. If ever mag-higher low tayo, that's gonna be your entry point kasi meron naman tayong signal na. So that's gonna be what you need to wait for Raul Tumale. Jairo si Huko. Magandang gabi. Alright, Ronnie Morillo, good evening, Sir Lord. Good evening, Alan Washalan. Galing ng pangalan eh. Rhyme na rhyme. Alan Washalan. Good evening, pre. Paulo David. Good evening, Sir. Rowena Villa. Good evening, Sir. Sir Lloyd, Pcor and AP po. AP did go up earlier today. So AP, alright, ang ganda na ng signals ni AP. Nagsusupport na. Sorry. Let me just delete this. Ang dami kasing... Alright, so AP, if you wanna try it out, ang swerte natin kay AP is this is the support right here. Nag-bounce kanina, tumuloy-tuloy na. If you were trading this, the brain would have been a very good signal for you guys. Hopefully, nakuha nyo kanina. It's up 4.91% na kanina. If you can get it on a discount, siguro at around 30, 33, pwede pong ganun. Makuha nyo yan at short-term trade lang. Not like before na position trade natin. We recommended it here at the bottom pick. Ngayon, momentum trade lang. Baka ito na yung pullback niya and baka magsimula na naman yung momentum niya with the market doing well. So, if you can get a discount around 30 pesos, that will be good entry and then cut loss lang. If ever hindi, then wag na. Antayin nyo na lang next pullback. Diba? Alright, so that's for AP, right? Nakalimutan ko pangalan mo, pre. Naka-Chinese kasi, so hindi ko mabasa. But yeah, Pcor. This is his request. Pcor, galing eh. Breakout was a good entry for Pcor. Right now, it's at the peak of its climb. Naiwan na tayo dyan. I will stay away from it if ever hindi nyo napasok si Pcor. Beautiful divergence. Look at that RSI divergence on this support levels. Sobrang ganda ng position sana na yan for the support of Pcor. We did recommend Pcor on the breakout. Ang lakas ng breakout niya last week. Sorry, too late right now if ever hindi nyo napasok sa breakout. Right? You miss some, you win some, you lose some. Chart Fernandez, magandang gabi. Alan Oshalan, Wilcon, Annie, and BSC Sir Lloyd. Pa-check. Thanks. Sure, man. Let's check out. Medyo marami-raming content, so bilisan ko lang ha. Speaking of maraming contents, I'm just gonna be plugging this in. Alright, magandang hapon dyan sa mga nanonood sa inyo. Sa YouTube also, I'm gonna be going through the comments sa YouTube mga around 8:30. So dadaanan ko kayo. Baka sabihin nyo sa akin, suplado ko. Hindi. Babasahin natin yan as much as possible as long as the time allows us to. Right? So I want you guys to check out mangingisda.org. Right? This is on its third year already. Mangingisda.org. Check out, go to mangingisda.org and go to the full video for our cost para malaman nyo po ano ito. But for those na alam na ano ang mangingisda.org, right? Technically, these are fish cages sa Lopesina, and I'm part of an organization na kung saan ako naglilink sa mga investors tsaka sa mga mangingisda dito. Right? Marami na kayo nakikita marami kayong nakikita na mga scam na mga piggery, ganito, ganyan, manukan. But man, check out this video. Ako po mismo mag-guarantee sa inyo. It's not a scam. It's been running for quite a while already. Limited nga lang kasi yun nga, hindi scam eh. Limited lang yung investment. So tonight, let me just open the Facebook page, mangingisda.org. There is a Facebook page for this one. If you want more information about mangingisda.org, check out the Facebook page also of mangingisda.org. It's loading somehow. So once you're in, right here, ang pinakaunang video po dito is gonna be the informative video para sa inyo. This is for live ito para sa paano. But hopefully you know mangingisda.org already. Okay? I'm sharing this now because mag-open po si mangingisda.org ng isang cage this evening. Right? Unahin ko po kayo. Hindi ko pa ina-announce to, but we're gonna be opening at 10 p.m. One cage lang. Right? Since medyo okay na ang panahon natin ngayon with the vaccination and etc. So somehow we are going to be starting to expand the business once again. We put it on hold if napansin nyo sa kasagsagan ng pandemic last year, 2020 until now. Hindi tayo nag-open ng cages because I wanted to be I wanted to be conservative kasi hindi natin alam ano mangyayari, and this is money of the investors kasi, di ba? So, ngayon, na okay ng sitwasyon. It's the fish cages were doing well. Medyo mahirap nga lang talaga noong pandemic kasi yung logistics sobrang bagal. So it was really challenging. But somehow, since pagkain naman ito, kumikita pa rin. But okay lang. It's not really at its full potential. Now everything's lifting. Medyo okay na yung deliveries natin. Now it's time to start to expand, right? Again, right? And isa lang muna ang i-open natin. It's gonna be limited, just 100 slots. So, unahan lang muna. Mamaya alas 10, you can reserve. If ever wala pang fund yung account ninyo sa mangingisda.org, pwede kayong mag-reserve. Hanggang 3 nga lang ang pwede nyo i-reserve sa mga walang pera pa yung account. Kung may pera na yung account nyo, then you can get the cages already. But yeah, the slots already, right? So it's gonna be open at 10 o'clock in the evening. So if you go into mangingisda.org, the website, go to login. Pag login nyo dyan, wala pa kayong account, click on join instead, right? See on the screen. Right, so if ever ganito yan, ganito mangingisda.org, that's if ever wala pa kayong account, you can go to join para mag-create kayo ng account. Click on login if meron na kayong account, and you should be able to, once you're in, like this one right here, I have 16,500 balance here. I-go to projects, makikita nyo po ang mga projects dito, mga available na cages, cage 2, yan. So, taken po yan lahat. We have until 13 cages. Mag-open tayo na mamaya ng, cage number 14. Right? So, the 14th cage i-open natin. So, it's 6,500 per slot. It's been ongoing. Yung last natin na payout was... What was the date? Good day, wave 1 and 2. Yan. This was at August 1, last payouts natin. Right. So, it was at around 11% annual na return niya. 11%. 11% po yung na-return natin. Right. So, it's still good. Despite the pandemic, 11% is still very good. So, if you're interested, check out mangingisda.org. Alas 10 po, mag-open tayo. Going back to our topic. Right. So, hopefully, yan, supportahan nyo rin po, pa rin po ang mangingisda.org. Ani, massive bounce right here, engulfing pattern, nag-pull back. If you wanna trade this one out, man, There's a support. Pag nag-green ito, that's gonna be your entry point. 4.56 is the massive support. So, cut loss below that lang. I don't recommend that trade since second quarter ni Ani is not really that good. So, baka bumaba pa yan, right? Laki kasi ng chances na bumaba if ever pangit yung performance ng company. So, it might drop still. So, konting ingat lang muna, right? Jason Ignacio, M-Wide, marami pa to eh. Ani BSE, right? Alan Washalan, si Wilcon pa. Wilcon, right? Si Wilcon, lower highs na pre. This was the previous high. Nag-sell off na siya ngayon. And that's the reason why I stopped you guys from entering it. Ayokong pumasok kayo dyan. Maraming naipit dito for sure. Mga nainggit kay Wilcon. Sad to say, I guess, hindi naman sila deserved it. But that's what you get for applying the wrong strategy, right? If ever investor strategy nyo dito for long term lang naman, okay pa rin, right? It's on a downtrend, you should be happy, you can buy more. But if you're a position trader, you're a swing trader, and you entered here, that's the wrong strategy, man, and you are in for a very big loss. So, hopefully, hindi kayo nakapasok. That's a lower high right there. That's a downtrend. That's a reversal signal. Stay away from it. Ani, BSC. Ito, BSC. Right. Kel Mike, sir, pwede pa po bang pasukin si BTC? Tingnan natin mamaya. Alright, BSC muna tayo. This is pullback we're waiting for. Ganda na support. I would say, sa next green, pwede nyo pasukin si BSC, or if you wanna go conservative style, kung kaya naman bantayan ng market, kung mag-breakout yan in the middle of the day, pasukin nyo dyan, breakout, or the pullback and bounce. Sorry, nalalamunan ko. Alright, one moment. BSC, natapos na tayo for BSC. Jason Ignacio is asking about MY. Let's go MY. Time check 8:22. MY. Yan. I told you. Batikahin nyo sa baba. Hopefully binodegan ninyo. Because if not, then you miss this out, man. Pero hindi. May chance pa. Baka nag-breakout siya with good volume. 4.30%. Congratulations sa mga bumidega kay MY. They've been recommending MY for quite a while. Dito sa support na ito. Hopefully pumasok kayo. Congratulations sa mga pumasok. It's on a breakout right now. I would say yes, that is still a buy right there. Pero pinakamaganda sana dito. Nanghihinayang ako, hindi nyo pinasok dyan. M-Wide on a breakout. That's a buy right there, man. Congratulations sa mga pumasok at nagbodega kay M-Wide. Doyu at Bingo. This is from Jairo Sihuko. Doyu is Doyo International Holdings. This is from Nasdaq. So I'm gonna be talking about technical analysis right here. Technical analysis lang tayo kasi hindi ko kilala itong company nito. Oh, ganda ng support ni Doyo. Did you ask this before, man? If you did, I would have said yes. Sobrang ganda ng divergence. We saw multiple divergences right here. That was a buy right there with this divergence. And now on a sideways trend with a beautiful divergence. That's a buy right there, man. Dito pa lang, buy na yan. Sobrang ganda na ng buy na yan. Doyo still a buy for me. I would say that is a good momentum for the stock. Bingo. BNGO, Bio Nano. BNGO, Bio Nano. Right. Bio Nano. Subtle divergence right here. Overall, pero yeah, overall, on the mid to long term, yung divergence na is okay. There is a downtrend line right here. I would say, let it break out from that downtrend line. That is gonna be the perfect entry for this one, for Bionano. So, let it break out lang muna si Bionano. MY, Jason Ignacio, we covered that already. Gigi Maris, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Magandang gabi. Chart Fernandez, Meg, Sir Pasilip, at Bloom. Si Meg, matagal ko na yung ang dami nating linya dito. Sabi ko sa inyo, bodikahin nyo yan dyan. So, ngayon, lumilipad na. If it goes on a breakout, then breakout entry. But congratulations sa mga pumasok kay Meg. This is one of the stocks that I also recommended for you guys to get in. Bodegahin nyo. Kaya may mga guhit yan dyan noon. Because that was the time. Hindi, ayokong burahin yan kasi so that I can remember what was my previous call with the drawings. Kasi pag ganito ang drawing, bodega yan usually. Buy here, pag bumaba, buy more and buy more. Nag-reversal na. Congratulations sa mga pumasok kay Mega World. Let it break out sa mga hindi pa nakapasok. Right? Pag na-breakout yan, sa kanyo pasukin. Si Bloom naman. Bloom. Right, shoutout naman dyan. Mag-chat naman kayo sa mga pumasok kay Meg tsaka pumasok kay M-Wide nung in-announce natin yan. Napasukin nyo. Bloomberry, same. And may dalawang linya tayo dito. That would have been a buy. And then buy more if ever bumaba. But nagrally na. We're already near resistance. Breakout na po ang susunod natin na entry dyan. So, let Bloom breakout lang muna. For now, it's not a buy. Laura Napa, good evening, Laura. Paulo David, Converge, and dito, sir, Converge, massive climb already kanina, 7.14, but that bounce is to be understood because of this reversal signal right here. We call this a dead cat bounce. It's not really confirmed just yet, pero that's not an entry for me. Stay away from it. MA20 was broken. That's a reversal of the trend. Goodbye. Alright, dito. Alright, si dito naman, ito, buy, my friend. That is a reversal signal. Dito is a buy. Alright, sabi ko sa inyo dati, if ever pwede na bilhin si dito ulit, that's a buy right there. It's not a guarantee that it will shoot up. Bodega na yan, but that's already a reversal signal on the short term. I would say that's a buy. Buy more if ever bumaba pa yan si dito. Right? That's for dito. That's for Paulo David. SLP for Jessica Nang. SLP, uy, good news ha. We're already kicking off. Nagsimula na last week ang mga kita ng mga axis natin. Congratulations sa mga sumabay sa atin, sumabay gumawa ng axie nila, or those na nakipag-partner sa akin with the axie. If ever you wanna partner up with axie, gusto nyo mag-diversify into NFTs pero ayaw nyo sakit sa ulo, send me a message at Financial Freedom 101. May nakita ko nag-message sa StockSed. Wag po dito sa StockSed kayo mag-message. Sa Facebook page ko mismo, which is Financial Freedom 101. Doon kayo mag-message sa akin and I'll let you in. May proposal for the partnership sa what do you call this? For managing the Axie, right? Alright, SLP, right, still on a sideways trend right now, right? The good thing is tapos na yung downtrend niya. It is going sideways as of this moment. The previous bounce was here pero bumaba siya. Right now, not a buy. Pinakamagandang bottom niya is around 0.06 and this bottom right here. That is where you buy if you want to trade this one out. Okay? So that is for SLP, USDT, Rowena, Villa, Meg, and CLI. Megaworld and CLI, Megaworld Corporation. We already covered that. Pa-breakout nyo muna. CLI, Cebulan Masters Incorporated. I called the support right here. That's a buy right there for me. Bilhin nyo na sa CLI. Eugene, Carlo, Miguel, Meg and M. White. We covered those already. Congratulations sa mga pumasok kay Meg and M. White. LTG po. Let's check out LTG. Nag-reversal to kaagad si LTG. Alright, so mag-green ka agad. But on a downtrend, especially in the short term, I will stay away from it for now. I will need more signals from it kasi mix yung signals niya. Paul Hementera, right? Good evening. Is asking about MPI and RLC. MPI and RLC. Let's check out MPI, Metro Pacific. That's a buy right there. That's a pullback from the breakout from downtrend and may green na tayo. That's a buy for MPI. And RLC, right? RLC, Robinson's Land Corporation. This is the major support. Short term, meron tayong resistance dyan. Baka mag-breakout and there's a secondary resistance right here. Baka mag-breakout. So, pag nag-breakout yan, another green for tomorrow, that's an entry for your RLC. Good find. Gigi Miares, Sir Lloyd, check web, please. Thanks. Let's check out web. PhilWeb Corporation on an uptrend, my friend. Good find. Pullback, ayun na yung bounce. That was the entry point for web already nung nag-pullback siya. Right now, I would say okay pa siya. Right? Pinakamaganda talaga is pullbacks na entries niyo. If you can wait for a pullback, especially in this kind of market, hindi pa naman gaanong bullish yung market natin. Let it pull back and bounce. Ganun lang dapat ang mga entries niyo. Like this pullback right here and bounce. That was the good entry point for web. Ma'am Amy, BTC po. Let's check out BTC. Right. BTC USD. It's now at 56K. Right? So, okay pa bang humabol kay BTC? Not a fan of the position anymore. I told you, buy here. Diba? I told you, buy here and buy on the breakout. But right now, it's not a buy anymore. Right? Ako, bumili ako ng Ethereum when BTC was at the support right here. And here. Right? Ngayon, masyado mataas na po siya. I cannot recommend this anymore. You're only asking about it because naiingit kayo at lumipad na. That's the wrong strategy. Guys, I want you to mature in your trading strategies. Okay. Right now, it is your emotion that's causing you to push the question. Kasi pag sinabi kong bayan, susugod ka agad kayo. Even if it's wrong. Okay? That's because it's your emotion deciding for you. Naghahanap lang kayo ng second opinion. But if you're matured enough already, hindi matured personally, sa personality, but sa trading development ninyo, sa trading character ninyo, as a trader, if you're matured as a trader, you know that that's not a buy zone. Okay? Unless you're an investor, plano nyo mag-invest kay Bitcoin, the dips, wait for the dips. Wait nyo lang kayo sa dips before nyo pasukin. And you don't really care if it drops because you're just gonna be buying more. But for now, you should not be buying it on the rise. Right? Dun sa dips po. Right? So, for Bitcoin. Alright, RLC, we covered RLC already. Ran Tabilas, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Nasdaq po, NSDQ 100. Let's check out Pro Charts by Toro. NSDQ 100. Alan Washalan entered M-wide at 6.1, Sir Lloyd. Right, M-wide. 6.14. That's a good entry, man. Congratulations. Galing. That's what our strategy is, right? Position trading, sports, our best friend. Ganun na strategy, and that's what I've been teaching you guys. Congratulations, Alan Washalan, right? That's a very good gain already for you, right? I would say, how much na yan? If you entered at 6.14 and average mo, right now, you're already up 7%. And with this right here, hopefully this is the rally already. Nag-breakout na siya attempt. I can't promise you na aakyat yan, but that is already good gains for you, man. Congratulations. Let's go back. NSDQ 100. Right. So, yan. Ay nga pala. Let me open this muna. Izanagi. Update tayo. So, una natin, Pro Charts, Nasdaq is still on a downtrend right here. Pero mukhang nag-o-okay na yung RSI natin, but still too aggressive to call. Nasdaq is still on a downtrend. I will not be recommending Nasdaq muna. Where is the close? Continue from my FX book. Our Izanagi is... sorry. Ano na yun? Ano nangyari doon? Right. Our Izanagi is up 199%, but the current positions are down. It's down at 121%. Imagine this. In a day or in a week from 179 or let's say 189 bumaba yung port ninyo to 121. So that's more than 60% drop in how many days? Grabe yung drop ni Izanagi, but that is the drawdown right there. That's what I'm telling you, right? 42% drawdown, right? And that drawdown strategy is what lifts this up. Okay? Kasi pag nag-reverse ang market, lahat ng mga pinosesyon natin sa average down niya is can be a very big gain. And that's the drawdown strategy. I haven't did I talk to you about this before? This is one of the reason why. Let me open this one. Close up. Trading Masterclass. Right. So, isa sa mga seminars ko, bakit meron dito? Right. I'm just gonna be deleting this. Delete. Hide post. Right. So, isa sa mga... Is this the one? Yeah, post. Hidden. Asan yung pinned na messages? Use feature to highlight your group. Nope, not this one. Dapat may pinned video kasi ito eh. Ito featured. Bago na naman yung ano ni Facebook. So, how do I open the featured? Pinned items visible to you. So, ito. Trading webinar, John Lloyd. Ito, si Arfe. Arfe, itong webinar na ito, by the way, you can access this webinar if kukuha kayo ng, go to patreon.com/elbazar. All the webinars, yung featured webinars ko is for free once makuha nyo yan. But Arfe Gavillanes, yung kasama ko dito, Yung kasama ko dito is he
Kasi
won
yung
he won the eToro what do you call this? He won the eToro trading competition, right? In 1 month he earned 1 million pesos, right? In 1 month he earned 1 million pesos using the drawdown strategy, right? Technically what drawdown strategy is that you open a position right now, especially if you think this is the peak of the point for now, right? If ever tuktok ito or pinaka-bottom ito, let's say for example, you think your technical analysis says that this is the bottom already, so you open a position, but in case mali ka, hindi siya magsa-stop loss. It is gonna go down and then it's gonna open more positions, open more positions, open more positions. And then, alam niyo yung 50% drawdown natin, let's say for example, naglagay ka ng $500, only $250 is going to be used. Right? The other $250 is gonna be used for the drawdown. If ever yung $250 nyo mag-negative at mag-zero, you still have the $250 to catch it. Right? And then, pag nag-reversal ang market, imagine how many positions you have in the bottom position. Pag nag-reverse yung market na yan at makuha mo na nag-bottom na siya talaga, it's gonna make your gains shoot up. Right? Palakasan ng loob yan. Remember, 40% drawdown yung Izanagi. That's what it is applying. And maganda yung strategy na yun kasi for bots, right? So it is at Izanagi right now. So we're now at 199% gains. The current positions niya, mga open positions, now is dropping the equity at 121%. So malaki-laki yung drop niya. But once these positions go reverse, mark this day, right? October 11, 10, 11, 21. This is gonna shoot up pag nag-reverse na yung market at i-close na yung position niya. Hopefully, pumasok kayo sa Izanagi, right? Especially right now na down yung mga positions. So, mga positions na ino-open niya is nasa baba pa. Right, Nasdaq 100, negative. Let me just open my other bot accounts. Si Valkyrie naman, if you want to learn more about Izanagi, and dyan sa video description, the video about it. And then, what do you call this? Sign in. Let me just sign in. So, ano maganda strategy for averaging up? Long term po, balak sana magdagdag ng position. This is from Alan Gallardo. Whenever a dip happens, and then it stabilizes, you buy more. So, Valkyrie naman natin, Valkyrie is doing good. 9.99% already. This account is started just July 19 pa lang. Now, fast forward October 6, there are red days right there, but the recoveries are always very good. So, we're now up 10% in just how many months? 3 months, right? 3 months, if I'm correct. Yeah, almost 3 months. 10% is not bad, right? Napakaganda na po ng earnings na yan. Sa Valkyrie, this is also bot trading, automatic trading po yan. Alright, so let's go back to the comments. Punta muna ako ng YouTube. Ang daming comments dito sa Facebook na hindi ko pa nasasagot. I need to go to YouTube rin kasi and then talk to people here. Ayan, Cesar Villaruel, good evening. Small Kids Blanco, good evening. Ayan, Cesar, happy na ba ulit? Breakout PSEi, oh, for sure. People are celebrating right now, especially yung mga nagbobodega. Nerf 16, good evening. Edro 12, good evening. Happy earnings to all. Jaco 07, good evening po. Sir Lloyd Vincent Pascual, good evening sir. Rosario Salam, magandang gabi rin. P-Gold and SMPH, yan po request ni Rosario. P-Gold. Right, P-Gold. Pag nag-breakout dyan, right, kung mag-breakout si P-Gold, that's gonna be your entry point. Why? Nag-break siya ng MA20. That's a weakness signal right there and bearish po yung mga pinapakita natin ng mga RSI. So, I cannot recommend P-Gold. Si SMPH, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Ilan po ba risk percentage sa Valkyrie mo, Sir Lloyd? My Valkyrie, naka 25% po yung risk settings ko kay Valkyrie. But so far, 11.83 lang ang kinakain niya na drawdown pa lang. So, it's still doing well. Look at this, 76% win rate. So, napakaganda ng win rate ng Valkyrie. Anyways, moving forward. Ayan, SMPH, good breakout. May mga linya tayo dito. Bakit? Told you, bodegahin nyo. Buy some right here. If it goes further down to the major support, buy some more. Kung binili yung support na yan, then you are celebrating already right now. Congratulations sa mga pumasok kay SMPH when I called it. Let it pull back and bounce. Susunod na bounce po ang next entry niyo for SMPH, right? So, pull back and bounce na lang for SMPH. Hello po, this is from Random Asset for in the internet. Jaco07, pa-check naman po si FDX. May sell position ako sa RCL. Take profits na po kaya. Baka mag-bounce sa MA20. Thanks po. Let's check it out. FDX. It's FDX. Is it crypto? FDX Corporation. Alright. FedEx. Yeah, FedEx Corp. Looking good. We've reached RHI. I'm not really sure what caused this down. The downtrend, I'm not sure what caused that, and I don't know what caused this gap down. So you have to be careful. If ever okay lang yung kumpanya, it's showing good signals right now, I would say that's a buy right there. Pinaka-support natin is 217 for FedEx. RCL is Royal Caribbean Cruises. May short position kayo dyan. That's a reversal signal, technically, di ba? Reversal signal yan, pero overall trend pre is still on an uptrend, so medyo delikado yung short nyo. What I usually do is, that's a good reversal signal. Ang secondary signal ko is if it breaks MA20, yung pullback and bounce, that's where I short, para sure lang talaga. So, pag na-green, then sell some of your position, man. Pero mukhang okay naman yung position mo, pre. Yun nga, nakakatakot. Kaka-breakout lang yan. An overall trend niya is still on an uptrend. So you're going up against the trend, right? You're going aggressive on the short when the overall uptrend is still intact, right? So konting ingat sa mga ganito. Just TV, good evening, Sir Lloyd. JFC dito po. We covered dito already. Si JFC also is doing well. I told you guys, ayan, breakout. Pag nag-breakout, that's gonna be entry point. May bilog dyan, meaning, inintay pa natin ang breakout. Dito siya nag-breakout. Pull back and bounce. I would say, that's looking good right there. I would say that's a good buy, if ever. Mag-hold yung breakout na yan. Kasi mukhang nag-hold na. Small kids, Monday green on M-wide po. M-wide, we covered M-wide already. Sir, patingin AC. Thank you. Nakapasok din ako ng Meg. Congratulations, Vincent. Right, let's go muna sa green. Monday. Still on a downtrend right here. Lower. Creating a triangle right now. I don't like my odds right there. I will stay away from it. Green. Ito si Greenergy. Nasa baba. So, support is holding, right? Divergence all the way. I would say that's a buy right there. Cut loss lang. Napakalit ng risk nyo dyan. I would say that's a bottom. So, hopefully mali. Hopefully tama. If ever mali, at least maliit lang ang risk ninyo. mali yung pinagsasabi ko. Ano ba yan? M-wide is already breaking out. So, breakout strategy. Refa, Sola, T-Doremi, Lodi, VLL. Let's check out VLL. Alright, may linya tayo kay VLL dito. We were hoping for VLL to really drop down to the support kasi nasa gitna na siya ng support or resistance. I would say breakout or here. Those are your entry points. Ngayon, kind of risky to get in the middle. CNPF po, JR Pulmano. Let's check out CNPF. Ian Cesar, meron ako Sir Lloyd, nakabodega ng Meg, tsaka M-wide. Alright, congratulations, man. CNPF, downtrend, my friend. Stay away from it. That is for JR, Cesar Gayola, CNPF, good consolidation. No, I don't think so. Mukhang pababa pa. It's hitting lower lows. So, stay away from it. Good evening, Sir Lloyd, BDO, and Wilcon. Si BDO, been recommending this before pa. On a breakout, nag-breakout na si BDO. Dapat dun yung pasukin yan. Pero noon ko pa to rin-recommend si BDO eh. Diba? So supports niya pa eh. Diba? I've been honest with you guys. You were asking me ano yung mga pinapasok ko ng mga companies. BDO is one of them. One of my favorite assets right now. And there it is. Congratulations to me and to everyone na pumasok kay BDO. Sa mga hindi pa nakapasok, pull back and bounce po for BDO. Next, Wilcon, lower high, stay away from it. CLI, we covered CLI already. CLI is a buy, right? Pag nag-green yan, that's gonna be your entry point. Vino Lomboy is asking about CHP. Alright, CHP, breakout. Alright, that's good. Look at this MA20 bounce. That's the perfect entry rate there. Sana dito nyo pinasok. Naka-up siya ngayon ng 1.55%. I'd say yes, as long as the MA20 holds. Okay pa naman. Hindi pa naman kalaki yun yung galaw niya. Yes, that's a buy. Cesar, Goyala, XRP, Shiba, Doji, pasukin nyo yan kasi sila Bitcoin umaakyat. Alright, hanapan nyo ng support. Alright, for Shiba Inu, actually, si Shiba, it's already too late. I will not recommend it anymore. Hype na lang. Ang mga na-hype lang ang gusto pumasok dito. I'm not saying walang ano dito ha. I'm not saying walang opportunity dyan. Pwede pa yung umakyat, definitely. But my trading system says it's a no. If you're a day trader and gusto niyo mag-day trade ng Shiba, the volatility is gonna be your friend. Yeah, day trade this. May opportunity dyan. Pero if hindi naman kayo day trader, hindi kayo makatulog dyan. Stay away from it. Right? Simple as that. Right? Apply the strategy for you. Right? So, same nga dog. Ian, Visor, Bodega, Medega, MY, Jokat, good evening. Rosario, JFC, we covered JFC already. Let's buy Miser, MY, 6.01. Amazing. Ian, Cesar, Villaruel. Galing, man. Congratulations. 6.01 mo pinasok na Bodega si MY. Congratulations, man. Galing. Love that strategy. I've been recommending MY for quite a while already. Right. Vincent Pascual, sir, patingin ng AC. Thank you. Nakapagbodega rin ng Meg. Congratulations, man. AC, Ayala Corporation. Ayan, resistance right here. Pag nag-breakout, that's gonna be your entry point, especially sa mga traders dyan. Shiba Inu, USDT, huwag nyo nang pasukin if ever gusto nyo lang na pumosisyon kasi na-hype kayo. Right? Apply the right strategy. If you're a day trader, tignan yan. Pwede pa yan. There's a very good entry for it for sure kasi volatile siya ngayon. But if you're a position trader, stay away from it. If you're a position trader or gusto niyo magbodega, that's not the right time para magbodega. Gusto niyo lang magbodega ngayon. I will be blunt with you guys. I will be brutally honest with you guys. Gusto lang niyo lang magbodega ngayon kasi lumilipad yan. Right? And you're gonna be forced to be an investor in it pag bumagsak. So, stay away from it, please. Unless it's your strategy to hold on to it, then buy the dips. Magdi-dip yan and then buy some more kahit andyan yan sa taas. That's for Shiba Inu. Ali and AGI. Ali, breakout for Ali. Mandami kong linya dito. Sabi ko sa inyo, bodegahin nyo na yun si Ali. Congratulations sa mga nagbodega. Nag-breakout na si Ali. Pullback and bounce is the next entry for Ali. It's already too late right now to get into Ali. AGI. Right, AGI. Right, this is the short-term support for AGI. 10.18, if makapasok kayo dyan, that's a good entry. At least malapit dyan. Right, Algo. This is Algo from Nance Nunker. Right, let's check out Algo. What is Algo? Is it Algorand? Alright, crypto. Okay, there's pag na-breakout yun dyan, that's gonna be your entry point for Algo. Right, DMC and LHC. DMC is on a downtrend right now. Hindi, uptrend. Pero sobrang taas na, showing bearish signals already. Stay away from it. Not a position to trade right there. LHC same. Bearish signals already. Stay away from LHC. It's way up there. Stay away from it. Okay? Right, so tapos na tayo sa YouTube. Let's go back to Facebook. Yung mga comments natin dyan. Again, reminder sa inyo guys, mangis.org is gonna be opening one cage, right? 100 slots lang. So, unahan lang po yan. Okay po, ang in-announce ko lang una. Alright, after this one, pag open ko ng 10 p.m., I'm gonna be posting about it sa mangis.org na page. And then, those who are already followers of mangis.org are gonna be racing for it. So, hopefully, makapag-reserve na kayo by 10 o'clock, right? Kasi 10 o'clock mag-open siya. Exactly 10, i-open ko. Why not make it 9:30? I'm gonna be opening it at 9:30, right? 9:30, open ko na sa inyo. 10 o'clock, sabihin ko yan sa mangingisda.org nag-open tayo. So, unahan na lang kayo sa pag-reserve. Pagkatapos ng live natin, punta agad kayo sa mangingisda.org. Gawa na kayo ng account. Once you already have an account, pwede na kayo mag-reserve dyan. That reservation is good for 5 business days para lagyan nyo ng pera. If ever hindi nyo malagyan, then it is gonna be canceled yung reservation ninyo and it's gonna be given to other people. Okay? It's gonna be open to the public for mangisda.org. Rain, right? Good evening, FNI and EEI. FNI, right? Time check, it's 8:50. Right, 8:50 na tayo. FNI, that's a buy, right? I would say that's a buy. Divergence is beautiful. That's your support right there. Overall is still though kind of bearish. So if ever mag-break man ng support yan, please cut your losses. That's for FNI. EEI. Alright, EEI, kind of aggressive, still on a downtrend. I will not be buying that for now. I need more information about it, data on the technical analysis in the future. Eugene Carlo Miguel, sir, K-Web kaya Chinese ETF. Pwede ba i-pull up natin dito si K-Web? K-Web, China Internet. Ang problema ko sa ETFs is, this is dependent kasi sa market, di ba? The market ng China. But then again, this is going sideways. This is showing good signals. Pag nag-pullback, bounce, you have the support right here. If you can enter this one at the support, that's gonna be your best entry point for K-Web. This is looking good already. This is from Eugene Miguel. Says Novales, Wilcon, Sir Lloyd, salamat. Wilcon is way up there. Stay away from it. Alright. Too high up there. ICT, Rowena Villa. Let's check out ICT. Ishmael Perez, mayang gabi. Sir Lloyd, mayang gabi to you, man. Good friend of mine here in Cebu. Si Ishmael Perez. He's watching us right now. Let me move forward. Wilcon, ICT. Ito si ICT. Just broke MA20 and it's on a downtrend. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Rowena, that's for ICT. Stay away from it. Sir, pwede po ba ang pasukin BTC? Way up there. Stay away from it. Ishi, Marimat, Sumo, and MRC. Let's check out Sumo. Alright, looking good. No divergence just yet, but this is 3 white soldiers pattern right here. Tapos yung downtrend niya, pullback Ishi, and then pag nag-confirm ng support or makes a higher low, that's gonna be your entry point for Sumo. Good find. MRC. MRC. Right. Trading lang ito Trading. Supports right there. Trade that one right there at the support. Pure Gold from Rowena Villa. Did we check out Pure Gold already earlier? Pag nag-breakout yan, di ba? Pure Gold, just broke MA20. Stay away from it. Next one is Elizabeth Dai. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Tanong ko lang po, okay na kayo pumasok sa BDO with the current price, pullback and bounce. Let BDO pull back and then bounce before you want to get in. Okay? I recommended BDO before, even recommended BDO on a breakout. That was the best entry point. Ngayon, medyo nakalipad na siya. Pullback and bounce na po ang susunod na entry natin for BDO. Okay? Next is Eric Benipayo. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. VUL po. Vulcan. Let's check out Vulcan. Right. Vulcan. Saan na ako? Right. Vulcan. Oy. Looking well. Divergence. Right here. So that's a good support right there. If this support holds, that's a buy. Pag nag-green yan. And then cut loss lang below that. That's gonna be a good strategy for Vulcan. Since nagsusustain yung support niya. That's a good find right there, man. Right? Maganda ba yung performance ng Vulcan? Second quarter is not that much. So tagilid siya. So at least nagsa-sideways siya. I don't want to go aggressive on this one. Meaning, ayoko lagyan ng malaking pera. If I trade this one, I will strictly cut loss. But that's a good support right there for VUL. Kevin Julian. BSC po sana, sir. We covered BSC already. Let's review. Breakout or pag susunod na pullback bounce niya is gonna be your entry point. Rebecca, good evening, Sir Lloyd. GMA7 and ASEN po. GMA7. Bilisan ko lang it's 8:54. Man, ang bilis ng oras natin Alright, GMA7, good MA20 bounce. Beautiful MA20 bounce right there. That would have been a good entry point for GMA7. But, yeah, that's still good for GMA7. That's why I love MA20. Sabi ko sa inyo, MA20. Pag nag-hold yung MA20, that's gonna be an entry point. Medyo may kataasan na sa GMA7, but looking at the fundamentals of GMA7, election na, the advertisements are already starting to kick in. It's gonna be GMA7 with a reverse umbrella, meaning sila po ang they're gonna be catching the blessings sa election, and that's gonna boost the sales of GMA 7 especially for next year. So yeah, GMA 7, love the fundamentals right now. MA 20 bounce, that's the entry point. That's good entry right there. Ishmael, yeah, gonna be PNB. Alright, did recommend PNB already. Bilhin nyo sa baba. PNB though is already up right now. Congratulations sa mga PNB na bumili. Bodega sa baba. Ping, if you're watching right now, congratulations. Let it break out na lang. Susunod na entry for PNB. I know Ping has been following this. I've been telling you guys na bodegahin nun yan sa baba. Jess, Jose Calooy Jr., Sir Lloyd, Tech, please, let's check out Tech. Dami pang comments. I don't know if I can answer all of this. Bilisan ko lang talaga. Tech, good support right here. Divergence is there. Ang Tech lang problema is, okay naman second quarter earnings niya. That's a buy right there. Support is at 4.20. Cut loss below that if ever mali. But good find, Jose. DD for Alvin Castillo. Let's check out Double Dragon. Buy. Right? Okay ba ang earnings ni Double Dragon? Negative 10% for second quarter. But still, support is holding right here. I would say yes, that's a buy right there for Double Dragon. Right? Cut loss lang below that if ever bumaba pa. But sobrang mura na ni Double Dragon, man. Alan Washalan, 6.14. Congratulations sa pasok mo kay M-Wide. AGI from Laura Napa. Right, AGI. Right, so AGI risky, right? Medyo nasa gitna na tayo ng support and resistance kasi eh. So I cannot call it. If ever bumalik yan sa support and good, or if mag-breakout, that is for AGI. Alan Gallardo, sir, ano magandang strategy for we've read that already. Lucas is asking about PNB. We covered that already. Napindot ko yung pangalan ni Elizabeth. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Tanong ko lang po, okay bumasok yung BDO? Hey, nabasa na pala natin yan. Medyo mataas na po si BDO. Good evening, sir. Ilan po risk percentage Valkyrie? Done that already. Ishmael. Magandang gabi. BCH USDT po. This is from Rani Castillo. Alright, BCH USDT. Right, Bitcoin Cash. Tingnan ko nga. Nasa resistance siya eh. Let it break out. Previous support broke down. That becomes a resistance, and it is resting right there. Let it break out from 602. Right, 602. Kung mag-breakout yan, that's gonna be an entry point for BCH USDT. Especially Bitcoin is going up. So yeah, this is a good find. Dito, from Prince Carl, si Dito, that's a buy right there. Sana, sir, magkaroon from Stocks Ed review for coming IPO from Prince Carl. Definitely. Right, si pareng Arnel, Kapayama Arnel, is kind of busy with his upcoming webinar kasi. Right, meron siyang coming na webinar. Right, this is gonna be this Thursday at 5 p.m. So medyo busy siya for preparing for this. The Squid Games Money Lessons. Right, so check it out if ever gusto nyo manood. Maganda rin ang topic dito ni what do you call this? Ni Kapayamang Arnel. Alright, so 8:58 already. Pasensya na if that's all the time I have. I'm not gonna be able to read everyone's what do you call this? Comments, right? Especially sa mga nasa YouTube, pasensya na. But yeah, it's already 9 o'clock. After this one, sa mga interesado kay mangingisda.org, if you know mangingisda.org already, if nag-research na kayo about it before, 9:30 po, mag-open ako ng cage para sa inyo. 10 o'clock, I'm gonna be announcing it to the public. So, unahan po yan, right? 9:30, create an account, and then you can reserve your position, right? And then, you have the 9 o'clock to 9:30 to read about it, right? Check out the video of mangingisda.org. Go to mangingisda.org, right? And also, still open if ever gusto niyo po makipag-partner up with Axie Management with me, right? Kung saan, if you want to diversify into, what do you call this? The Axie game and NFTs, right? And ayaw nyo yung sakit ng ulo, or you don't really have the time for it, it is gonna be very stressful for you. So, hit me up. Ako na po bahala. I'll partner up with you. I'll send you my proposal if ever you want to join up. Right? So, yeah, and Izanagi and Valkyrie is still open. Doing well, hopefully, nakasabay na kayo. If ever hindi pa, andyan sa video description, your registration, and the videos about it for you to learn more. Don't stop learning. That's it for me this evening. I'll see you tomorrow. And as always, let's get rich together. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Bye, everyone.